Hello, friends. I was wondering if any of you are afraid of wolves. Lots of people are afraid of wolves, but not Peter. That's why I can't wait to tell you the classic story of Peter and the wolf. It's a tale full of friendship and bravery. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started, my brave friends. Peter lived in a little village in a long-ago land where he craved adventure. But Peter's grandfather always made him stay in the village and warned him not to go into the great forest because of the... That's right, because of the wolf, of course. But Peter didn't want to stay in the village. He wanted to meet new friends and go on big adventures. Grandfather, there is a big world outside of our village, and today I'm going to explore it. Peter, my boy, I know you must follow your heart, but be careful when you venture into the forest. There are dangerous creatures out there. With his grandfather's blessing, Peter went on his way, but when he reached the edge of the forest, he suddenly wished he had a friend to travel with. Who is singing that beautiful song?
I'm Sacha, and I'll show you the forest's magic.
Peter was so happy because now he and Sacha could go on this wonderful adventure together. Peter and Sacha traveled happily until they approached a nearby pond where they heard someone in trouble. What's that? Peter and Sacha rushed towards the pond. A duck was tangled in the tall grass. Peter untangled the duck, setting her free. I told you he was a hero.
Thank you for saving me. My name is Sonia, and I think I'd like to come on your adventure.
Peter, who'd started his journey all alone, was now so excited to have Sacha the bird and their new friend Sonia the duck to travel and explore with. The three friends continued their journey deeper and deeper into the forest. But to tell the truth, even brave Peter was feeling a little spooked. Hello, my name's Ivan, and I'm the king of the forest. The friends pleasantly greeted the cat, who called himself the king of the forest, and Sacha even sang a royal bird song for him. I am honored by the beauty of your song and the bravery of your journey. So from here, I will be your guide because there's a wolf lurking not too far from here. Ivan led the way, and Peter, Sacha, and Sonia followed. And to tell the truth, things got a bit spooky again. Everyone was scared, but Peter knew that if they all worked together, they could defeat the wolf. Peter whispered to Sacha, "Try and distract the wolf by singing." Peter was right. The wolf was mesmerized by Sacha's song. Quickly, Peter found a rope to tie to a tree, and he called out to Sonia, "Catch this!"
I've got it.
I'll get him tangled. Working together, Peter and his friends had done the impossible. They'd captured the wolf. We must return to the village right away and tell everyone they can travel in the woods safely again. The four friends journeyed back through the forest and finally made it all the way to Peter's village. At the edge of the forest, Peter's grandfather was waiting for him. Oh, Peter, I was so worried about you. I'm glad you're safe. Everyone is safe now. What does that mean? Peter captured the wolf. I had a lot of help from my extraordinary friends. Soon all the villagers heard about Peter, Sacha, Sonia, and Divan. People came from all around to celebrate and thank them for their bravery. So, my young friends, remember the tale of Peter and his fearless companions. Let their journey inspire you to be brave, curious, and open to new adventures, so you too can find great friendships and create memories that will last.